I'm so excited. It has finally arrived. The Timna Tarr Quilt of me and Brady and Aaron on the couch in our Zippy Dots shirt with Brandon Mabley's octopus design. Let's check it out. Hi Scott, here's the portrait quilt. Thank you for trusting me with all of your faces. The quilt is ready to be hung. There is a sleeve for a rod to go through at the top of the quilt. There is also a pocket at the bottom for a dowel in to give the quilt a lighter weight and to help it hang flat. If the quilt ever needs to be cleaned, dusted, vacuum it with a handheld vacuum that has cheesecloth or other sheer fabric rubber banded over the end of the hose. The covering keeps the quilt from getting sucked into the vacuum. The invoice is included, that's for you, Marcus, along with the original photo I used for the pattern. Any questions or problems, please be in touch. All the best, Timna. Oh, it's free! I hope the kids like it. Check out my beard, it's so funny. Look at all these pieces, oh my God, so many. Look at his teeth. Where's Aaron's braces? Really awesome. Let's see if I recognize any fabrics. This. I'm speechless. I'm just amazed at how great this came out. It's so cool, it's so meaningful, and I'm sure it will carry a lot of special memories with it. So thank you, Timna, for doing this, and for everyone watching this, I'm happy to announce that Friday on April 8th at 5:30 p.m. we'll be having a live call with Timna Tarr. We'll talk about the quilt, talk about what she's up to, talk about her classes, her book, and everything that's going on. So I hope to see you then. And I'm going to continue to relish this moment, to enjoy this awesome quilt that really is special and has a lot of meaning for me. So have a great day. See you later. Bye.